In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Facebook ads. Easy 2026 guide. By the end, you'll have HubSpot connected to Meta so your Facebook and Instagram ad results and leads flow straight into your CRM for cleaner reporting and faster follow-up. Start by opening your HubSpot account and landing on the main home dashboard. Give yourself a moment to confirm you're in the correct portal and that you have the right permissions to install apps, usually super admin or similar. This avoids surprises halfway through the process. At the top of the screen, look for the small marketplace icon in the global navigation. It often looks like a store or shop symbol. Click that icon to open HubSpot's app directory. Then choose the option labeled HubSpot Marketplace to go to the full listings page. Once you're in the marketplace, use the search bar and type the word ads. This narrows the results to advertising integrations. You're looking for the listing called Meta Ads, which is the official connector for Facebook and Instagram. Open that listing to view the details and requirements. On the Meta Ads listing page, review the overview so you know what data will sync and what permissions are requested. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot may prompt you with an authorization window. If you see a pop-up, allow it, and follow the on-screen instructions to continue. During installation, you might be asked to confirm which HubSpot portal you're connecting and to grant access so HubSpot can read your ad performance and capture leads from Facebook forms. Take a moment to verify you're signed into the correct accounts before proceeding, then complete the install flow. That's the core integration done. From here, HubSpot can attribute contacts to your Facebook and Instagram campaigns and display performance right inside your ads tool and reports. If something doesn't load, briefly disable any strict pop-up blockers, refresh, and try again from the marketplace listing. A couple of quick best practices before we wrap up. Use an admin profile for both HubSpot and your Meta business settings so you can grant permissions in one go. And keep your browser updated, since outdated versions can block consent screens or embedded dialogues during the install. You've successfully connected HubSpot with Facebook ads using the marketplace, the search for ads, selecting Meta Ads, and clicking Install. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, move on to configuring your campaigns and lead syncing inside HubSpot so your team can act on new content.